Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Dennis Harlow. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we're discussing identity, who you really are, and why it matters. Okay, in the last video we talked about taking the first steps, and that's basically just saying, making a decision of who do you want to become, not what you want to achieve. There's a difference there, okay? For example, let's say you start saying statements like, I'm somebody who likes to work out. Okay, that's kind of vague, and your body's going to be and your mind are kind of going to go, well, that's not true. But if you change it to, I'm somebody who likes to take care of my body and likes to follow through, and if you've actually not followed through before, that's going to shift it. It's just these small actions, identity statements that you say over time change who your identity is. Okay, so now we're moving on. All right, to the next video. And the next video is how to make it stick. And here's how, it's very simple, okay? The secret is take small actions toward that identity. So every time you act in alignment with your identity, you cast a vote for that person. You don't need to be perfect, okay? Matter of fact, stop being perfect. Just do the do. And that will start to change, okay? The moment you start to be perfect, you start putting those negative thoughts back in you about, God, I'm not doing the right, I'm not doing the reps right, I'm not running fast enough, or, my God, I suck at this. Those are the things that are negative identity statements, okay? You just need to prove it one action, small action at a time, okay? And like I said, don't be perfect. You don't need to be. I recommend you don't. Just do it. Because those actions are the thing that's going to change it, not the other stuff, all right? So, for example, let's say you want to lose some weight, and you keep finding yourself not going to the gym or running like you want to run, but you don't. Instead of doing that, maybe get up and you go for a walk for 5 minutes, a brisk walk. Anybody can walk, and a brisk walk, you're going to start feeling better about yourself, like you got up and you moved and you did that, okay? Or maybe you're in a lot of pain, your back hurts or your hips hurt or your legs hurt. So instead of skipping, just do the stretches. You don't have to be perfect at it. Just do the stretches, do the mobility training, which will definitely help strengthen your joints, your muscles, okay? And do that. Or like I said, you were trying to lose weight and you find yourself drinking a lot of Coke or ginger ale or some other Mountain Dew. Okay, I had a friend who loved to drink Mountain Dew. He's no longer alive anymore. He drank so much of it, it just deteriorated his body, and his poor body couldn't keep up. So instead of doing that, okay, drink water instead. I'm the kind of person that likes to take care of my body. I'm going to quit soda and I'm going to drink water. It's more healthy for me. I like to take care of my body. Fantastic. Just keep doing that over time, and you'll see that'll change. I quit drinking soda 20 years ago. I just don't do it anymore. I drink alkaline water. I have some here. And I also drink some other hydration drinks that I get from a company called Shaklee. Love their stuff. The Olympians use it. The U.S. Olympic team uses it. They use it in space and NASA in space. So I mean, it's good stuff, and it gives me more energy, keeps me more hydrated. And every time I do these things, those are small wins. Okay, this is who I am now, not who I used to be 20 years ago. Who I am now, and that feels good. And when that feels good, your body starts to recommend that all the time in your identity, okay? And over time, your identity becomes the person you want to be. Plain and simple. It's not hard work. It's just doing the work. That's it. Do the work. It's not hard work, because as you start to change that, you're going to see that it becomes easier and easier. For example, the videos I'm doing now, oh my God, for 12 years, guys, this is the honest truth, okay? I would not get on a video because I was afraid of what people would say. I don't give a damn now. Say what you want. Call me whatever you want. I don't care, because you know what? My identity's strong now. So what other people say just doesn't matter. It doesn't. And that can be you too. And that's how you become the person you want to be. Okay? So this is how you kill self-sabotage. If you've been sabotaging yourself or letting other people tell you who you are, and you've been sabotaging that way, build that strong identity, and you will kill that sabotage, those bad habits, behaviors, and just keep doing it, and before you know it, you're going to have such a strong identity. There's nothing you can't do. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and send it off to somebody who may be struggling in that area of their life also. So we're going to be putting on a group here very shortly. I wanted to do it this week, but some things came up, and priorities that I had to do. Got to get the car tagged and do some work on my wife's car because it has a check engine light, but I know how to do those things, so didn't, but I changed my identity saying I could do that, and now I'm doing it. Okay, so stay tuned. There's one more video left that we're going to have, and then if you want to be part of this group and start changing things like so many other people have with your behavior and your identity, and become a stronger, more confident person in your life, then please just drop me in the comment, and I'll make sure you get that private group information. This is where we're going to help you one-on-one conquer your fears and your habits, your behaviors that you just don't want in your life anymore. Guys, God is amazing, and this is a biblical principle, okay? So, and it's a kingdom, what do they call it? A kingdom identity, or no, kingdom purpose. Sorry, there we go. It's a kingdom purpose. So you really want to get a hold of that, and come on out, and we love you guys. Drop me in the comments if you want to be part of the group, and we will make you part of the group. It's pretty simple. You have nothing to fear. We don't shame. We don't put people down. We keep people accountable, but we also are there as a community to strengthen you, to let you know that you can do this. And we will tell you that over and over again, and we will definitely help you build a stronger you. Okay? God bless you. We love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.